Communicating and connecting with stakeholder groups is very, very critical as an administrator. Who you are connecting with can make all the difference in the world. Unfortunately, we live in a society where communicating with people is becoming more and more difficult and challenging due to the fact that we live in a society where people are more isolated than ever before, even though we have more mediums by which to communicate. So, as an administrator, it's important to connect with all groups. Sometimes that looks like connecting with students. Sometimes you're connecting with your teachers. Connecting with your custodians is very, very important to make sure that they know you support them. Working with a parent-teacher organization is also very, very critical to accomplishing the goals of the school. And lastly, communicating and connecting with your business people in your community for them to support the initiatives of your school community can be critical to your success. So it is very important to have a listening ear to all of these various stakeholder groups and to make sure that you connect with each of them respectively and collaboratively.